The Amazing World of Lobsters and Other Arthropods, Evolution's Ingenious Designs. Arthropods, the largest and most diverse group of animals on Earth, are marvels of evolutionary engineering. These creatures, whose name literally means jointed foot, encompass everything from the tiniest ants to the mighty lobsters that roam our oceans. With segmented bodies, jointed appendages, and hard exoskeletons, arthropods have adapted to nearly every habitat on Earth, from the deepest ocean floors to the driest deserts. Among this remarkable group, lobsters stand out as a prime example of evolutionary ingenuity. However, to truly appreciate the lobster's biology, it's essential to explore how it fits within the broader world of arthropods and how their shared features and unique adaptations reveal the versatility of the arthropod body plan. The lobster, a study in specialization. The lobster is a classic example of a crustacean, a subgroup of arthropods that thrive in aquatic environments. Its body is divided into two main parts: the cephalothorax, a fused head and thorax, and the abdomen. This segmentation is one of the defining characteristics of arthropods, and in lobsters, each segment is adorned with specialized appendages designed for specific functions, whether it be sensing the environment, catching prey, or swimming. At the front of the lobster's body are its compound eyes, mounted on stalks. These eyes are different from the jointed appendages that cover the rest of the lobster's body, originating from different embryonic structures. Just behind the eyes, the first antennae serve as highly sensitive sensory organs, while the second antennae are longer and equipped with a scale-like outer branch. These antennae are crucial for navigating the lobster's underwater world, detecting changes in water flow and even taste. Lobsters are also equipped with an impressive set of mouthparts, including mandibles, jaws, and maxillae, feeding appendages, that help them manipulate and ingest food. These specialized structures reveal how the lobster's anatomy is finely tuned for its carnivorous diet. The maxillipeds on the thoracic segments assist in food handling, with the third pair being particularly robust to break down tougher prey. Perhaps the most iconic feature of lobsters is their chelipeds, or claws. These claws serve multiple functions, defending the lobster from predators, fighting for mates, and capturing prey. In an intriguing twist of nature, as lobsters grow, their claws become asymmetrical. One becomes a large, powerful crusher, while the other remains smaller but sharper, optimized for seizing prey. Further down the body, lobsters possess walking legs, each equipped with gills that allow for breathing while moving. The pleopods, swimmerets, on the abdomen aid in swimming and, in females, provide a safe haven for carrying eggs. Finally, at the tail end, the uropods form part of the tail fan, which allows lobsters to rapidly swim backward when threatened, a quick escape from predators. A look at the arthropod family tree. While lobsters are fascinating creatures, they are not the only arthropods with remarkable appendages. The diversity of appendages in the arthropod world is staggering, and each group has evolved unique adaptations to survive in its environment. Arachnids, such as spiders and scorpions, are perhaps the most well-known arthropods after insects. Unlike lobsters, arachnids are terrestrial and lack compound eyes and antennae. Instead, they use chelicerae, fangs or pincers, to catch and eat prey. Pedipalps, which may serve as sensory organs or reproductive tools, also play a role in their interaction with the environment. Despite their different lifestyle, arachnids share a common evolutionary ancestor with lobsters, and both use specialized respiratory structures, like book lungs and trachea, to exchange gases. In contrast to these land-dwelling predators, barnacles are an intriguing example of sessile crustaceans. After a free-swimming larval stage, barnacles cement themselves to rocks, ship hulls, or even whales, where they filter plankton from the water using their jointed biramous appendages. This unusual lifestyle, paired with their hermaphroditic reproductive system, shows how different crustaceans have evolved to thrive in vastly different environments. Further down the evolutionary tree, we find horseshoe crabs, often mistakenly called crabs, but actually a distant relative of arachnids. These ancient creatures, which have changed little in over 400 million years, feature specialized book gills and jointed appendages that help them scuttle along the ocean floor. Their ancient lineage provides valuable insights into the early evolution of arthropods and their adaptations for life on land and in the sea. From the sea to the land, adaptations for freshwater and terrestrial life. The success of arthropods extends far beyond the oceans. Freshwater crustaceans like crayfish and daphnia have adapted to life in lakes and rivers by developing drought and freeze-resistant eggs that can survive harsh conditions. Similarly, myriapods, centipedes and millipedes, are key players in the terrestrial arthropod community. Centipedes, with their venomous claws and predatory habits, are agile hunters of insects and worms, while millipedes, with their 2 pairs of legs per body segment, are slow-moving herbivores that play a vital role in decomposing plant matter and enriching soil. The evolutionary success of arthropod appendages. The most striking feature of arthropods is their appendages, structures that have evolved for a variety of purposes. While vertebrate limbs are primarily for locomotion, arthropod appendages perform a much broader range of functions, from swimmerets used for swimming in lobsters to the silk-producing spinnerets in spiders. Appendages serve not just for movement, but for feeding, respiration, mating, and sensory perception. This extraordinary adaptability is key to the evolutionary success of arthropods, allowing them to exploit virtually every ecological niche on the planet. Conclusion: the wonders of arthropod evolution. The lobster, with its finely tuned appendages and specialized body plan, is a perfect example of the evolutionary brilliance of arthropods. But lobsters are just one member of a vast and varied group of animals that share common features but also show remarkable diversity. From the venomous centipede to the silk-spinning spider, each arthropod has adapted its body plan to suit its environment. The study of these creatures not only reveals the ingenuity of nature, but also underscores the importance of evolution in shaping life on Earth. Whether swimming through the depths of the ocean or scurrying across a forest floor, arthropods like lobsters demonstrate that in the world of evolution, the possibilities are truly endless. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more amazing science content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.